So while I cook, I wanted to show you how I use this oil spray bottle. Basically, you fill it up with whatever oil you like. You use this little funnel and stick it right in there and fill up to the top or however much oil you like. And then you can just spray it. So I'm using it on my lunch to make sure it's not sticking to the pan. But you can really use this for anything that you're cooking. You can use it on the skillet, or you can use it on a salad, or maybe some vegetables, whatever you are cooking. So I think this is a great addition to any kitchen. And another thing I really like about it is that you won't have to keep on buying the spray bottles from the store and throwing them out. It's like you have your own reusable one, so you eliminate a little bit of waste that way too. So definitely recommend.